does it matter that my trustee has changed their address, that they've moved? I get this question all the time because people move around a lot. Thankfully, the answer is no. It does not matter if your trust specifies an address for a trustee when that trustee has moved. The only reason that we include address information in trusts or powers of attorney or other documents is to assist with identifying that person down the road should there ever be a question as to their identity. So the reason we include the address in the trust is simply so that when the question is asked, are you the John Smith that lived at 123 Main Street? That person can answer yes. And can you furnish a piece of mail, like a bank statement or a utility bill that shows that you lived at that address? Yes. Now we have sufficiently and satisfactorily proved the identity of which John Smith we are talking about. That's the only reason that we include addresses in trusts, and many times nowadays I don't even bother with it when it's just the kids. It's really more important for someone who's a little more remote to you to have that address. And oftentimes what I'll say when I set up the trust is I'll phrase it so that it says presently of 123 Main Street to indicate that someone may move down the road. And that obviously happens a lot. And thankfully, we don't have to update trusts when that's the case. Otherwise, I would spend literally my entire day amending trusts to keep track of people's addresses. From a practitioner's perspective, I'm really glad that I do not have to update people's trusts when the trustee or even when the trustor moves. Thanks for watching. Reach out to us at Speedwell Law if you need any help with setting up a trust.